In this video, I will show you how to edit amazing photo manipulation using PicsArt mobile application. So let's get started editing and select the photo to edit. And add the second photo to be merged. Place the second photo where you want to place for seeing it clearly. Decrease the opacity to around 70. And place it correctly. After that, select the eraser tool. Hardness to 100. And erase the unwanted portion carefully. This process takes some time.
When I fall asleep, yeah, I need you with me by my side. It's all I know now. I need you with me by my side.
Then increase the opacity to 100. Add the same image of the moon and flip it for the reflecting surface on the water. By decreasing the opacity to around 70 and place it correctly on the surface of the water. After that, select the eraser tool. Hardness to 100. Erase the unwanted portion carefully.
When the sun comes down and when I feel I've drowned, I need someone to hold. How I feel, I can show you, baby, one more time. When I fall asleep, yeah.
Then go to Effects. Select Blur and decrease to 5 and click the replace icon. And select Motion Blur and increase the distance to around 80 and fade to 0.
With me by my side.
After that, increase the opacity to 86. Then go to Draw tool. Select Brush and size to 128. Opacity to 3%. Zoom the merged photo and draw on the surface which needs to be darkened for night appearance to the photo. Then done. Save the image. Please like and subscribe.